This is it. The last mathematical lesson of the 3rd grade. My heart is heavy, but it's gonna be great, okay? So last lesson, number 137, we learned how to make an equivalent fraction by multiplying the top and the bottom by the same number. So we were giving the amount a new name. We weren't changing how much we had. We were just giving it a new name. And now we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna take a fraction with a large numerator and we're going to reduce it, the name. We're not going to change how much we have, we're just going to reduce the name. So last time we made the amount with a bigger name, and now we're going to make the amount with the smaller name. I'm sad, I love teaching you. This is the last one! And in honor of the last one right before summer, I wore this more casual Go Dodgers outfit. Okay, I'm okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, so the first fraction has, oh, it's purple, right? Okay, the first fraction has this much colored in, this part and this part. Okay, and then the next fraction has this much colored in. Okay, and they kind of look the same. And then underneath they have written 2/4 equals what over 2? And then you have to count it, okay? You have to count it. So you count how many parts are colored, 1. And then you put it, 1. Okay? 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Okay. The next one, 4/6. 4/6 is the same as how many thirds? And you know what? I'm so sad I forgot to put my name on top of the date. Today is May 28th, 2020. I'm so sad I don't even know what day it is. And my name is Miss Caitlin. Also known as Miss Caitlin. Did I do that right? K-A-T-E-L-Y-N. How are you? I am sad. Okay, so the next picture is colored in red. 4 of these parts are covered in and then 2 of these parts are covered in kind of looks the same, doesn't it? Because it is the same. It just has a different name. And so 1, 2, 3, 4 is the 4 on top. And so we count the colored parts too. We go 1, 2, and that's the number on top. Okay. 2/4 is the same amount as 1/2, and 4/6 is the same same amount as 2/3, but you notice that the numbers are getting smaller this time. 2 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 6 into 3. Okay, so we're going the opposite. What's the opposite of multiplication? It's division. Okay, buck up, Miss Caitlin. We can do this. Okay, where's my blue pen? I can't remember. What did I do with that? I want to write in blue. What did I do? Did I drop you? Okay. Green then, fine. Here we go. All right. The opposite of multiplication is division. So yesterday, step number 1, we copied the fraction. And step number 2, we multiplied by the same number. And today we're going to divide by the same number, okay? So step number 1, copy. 4/6, 4/6. And then today we're going to divide by the same number, top and bottom. They want us to divide by whatever number is going to take it to the lowest terms, okay? So you have to know what number can divide both the top and the bottom. 4 and 6 are both divisible by 2, okay? All even numbers are divisible by 2. So we're going to divide the top and the bottom both by 2, and we're going to get 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then we're going to circle our final answer because we are awesome elite geniuses that help other people. Okay. Step number 1, copy. 3/6. 3/6. Step number 2, divide by the same number. Divide, divide, top and bottom. 3 and 6 are both divisible by 3. Okay, so we're going to divide the top by 3 and the bottom by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Very good. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Very good. That is your final answer. Circle it. 2 and 16. Now, here's a forward-thinking lesson. You can only divide by a number equal to or less than your numerator. Okay, equal to or less than your numerator. So, when we divide by 1, nothing changes. So that will never reduce a fraction. It will never reduce a fraction to divide by the number 1. So we don't use it to reduce. We must use numbers greater than 1. Our numerator is 2. That's the biggest number we can use in this situation. Step number 1, copy. 2/16 is 2/16, and then we divide the top and the bottom by the exact same number. We're going with 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Very good. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. That's your final answer. Circle it. You are awesome. You have just reduced 3 fractions. Well done, chickadees. Okay. I'm going to do 3A with you. I'm not doing 3B. 3B is a measurement equation. It's your turn. You can do it. Okay, but 3A has got several parts. So, Scott checked out a book which had 36 pages in it. On Thursday, he read 1/3 of the pages. How many pages did he read? How many pages are left to read? Ooh, 2 questions means 2 answers, okay? You have to have 2 answers circled because there are 2 questions. So, 36 pages. I write 36 pages. 1/3 of the pages. How many pages did he read? So 1/3 of 36. I know that is a division problem. 36 divided by 3, right? They wrote 1/3 of the pages, so I wrote 1/3 of the pages. Okay? They write it, you write it. They write it, you read it, they write it, you write it. Okay? Now, 3 divided by 36, 1, 3, 0. Bring it down. 6, 0. No remainder. 1/3 of the pages is 12. So on Thursday he read 1/3 of the pages. How many pages did he read? Let's answer that first question. He read 12 pages on Thursday. How many pages are left to read? Okay, clue word or clue words. Last time. Our left tells you to subtract. There are 36 total pages. He read 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 4. There are 44 pages. I can't even spell, I'm so sad. There are 44 pages left. Circle. Ah, that was the last one. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have to say goodbye on the last video. Just remember, everybody, when you need an equivalent fraction, you have to multiply, but when you want to reduce, you need to divide, and everything has to be the same. Okay? If you have any questions, text me, call me, email me. My office hours are from 9 until 6:30, so if you're after hours, I'm not going to respond. But I'll get back to you as soon as possible within my office hours, and I love you, and you're so good, and just really great, and I'm an ugly crier, and call me. Hopefully I see you at the pool party. Okay.